5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What's up, everyone? My name is Janine and I got what you need, baby. I will be showing you guys my 5-day turmeric mask journey, how it went, and I did this as an attempt to pretty much resolve my ingrown hair problem, to reduce the appearance of my acne marks, and also to remove my facial hair. So in this video, we'll see if all of these claims were actually true or not, for me at least. Now, with making this turmeric mask, I used water, honey, and turmeric powder, of course. So I do not have any measurements. I just tried to combine these ingredients until I got the consistency and the amount that I needed that would last me about 5 or 6 days. So of course, at first it was runny as what, and I had to I had to add more turmeric powder and honey until my liking, until I got the paste that I desired. Later I figured that it being runny, it probably wasn't a big deal anyway, because it's going to go in the refrigerator after day one, after me putting it on, so it was going to thicken up anyway. So here I am, just starting off by almost making a complete mess out of this mask situation. And it's odd because I actually was wearing a white shirt and I didn't get it too dirty, surprisingly. I did have a yellow stain at the end of this, just a little yellow stain, no big deal. But I'm concentrating this mask onto, my problem areas where I have the ingrowns and where I have the acne marks, particularly on the left side of my face. I was actually squatting in this first setting that I was at during day one. So my legs started to give out, honey, and I had to get on top of that bed and just be in a whole different position, because I thought that my knees were that strong like Megan Thee Stallion, but nope, I thought. In the meantime, just follow me on Instagram at GinaAngelXO. This is a story that I posted during my day one of the turmeric mask, and I left this mask on for 30 minutes. It was very dry, and then I washed it off, and when you wash it off, you're going to get a yellow tint on your face. Your face will be tinted yellow. There's no escaping that because you're using turmeric on your face. And there's obviously really no difference. But then there's day two. So I wanted to see what it looked like at the beginning of day two. I didn't really see anything, to be honest. Now we're getting close to the end of this voiceover. Enjoy the rest of the video. Now we're in a new setting for day two. We're actually in my bedroom, my cute little pink bedroom. And the focus is a little off, but it'll be corrected in like a few seconds. Don't worry. So enjoy. Let me see if I can do a little something.
5 minutes later.
Ooh. Okay, so y'all, I just cleaned it off. It looks like, honestly, that I think it's starting to fade. The dark spots on my face, I think they're really starting to fade. But you see this yellow tinge? This yellow tinge is serious. I'm gonna pat my face dry, and I will see y'all for day three. Day three, baby. Boom, boom, boom. This rainy day. Okay. This feels so good. Day three. Let's go. We're back again. On day three, I started to use a new witch hazel. Days 1 and 2, I didn't use witch hazel at all. I don't think I did. I just remember really just patting my face dry with a cotton pad. I got this Thayer's witch hazel now that I got from Target. We're at day 4. So I washed my face already, and I'm gonna shower after, because yesterday, shoot, I still had whatchamacallit on the side of my face, but yeah, I still had some of the turmeric on the side of my face after I finished washing my face after 30 minutes, but at least I didn't go anywhere for the rest of the day. But I did shower hours after, so it did come off. I did get it off, but I'm gonna shower right after doing this, just in case that ish happens again. And now I'm going to be more I'm gonna pay a little bit more attention to this area where my ingrowns are, and I guess my chin here, because I heard it takes off, this mask can actually take off facial hair. But I've been doing this for like, this is my 4th day doing this. So 4 days now I've been doing this mask. I haven't seen that it takes off hair if I still have all this on my chin, but I will say that I feel like my hairs haven't grown. I feel like my hairs haven't been growing as fast as they used to do. I will say that. Because I usually shave every 2 days, but I haven't shaved in a while. Since, I guess the day that I started this challenge, what, Wednesday? It's like 3 days. So I'm gonna see how this goes. Back to life. Back to reality. Actually not super dry. Well, it was watery. That's probably why. But it's been over 30 minutes. I even put some on my elbows to like lighten up my elbows and my knees. And I'm two-toned over here. I should put some over here probably, so I could get like an even skin tone on this arm. But I'll do it another day. Yeah. So I'm gonna wash all this off in the shower, and I'll come back. We'll see how everything looks. I'm back from the shower and my face is clean. This is what my face looks like. So day 4, what are the results? I still see my acne marks here, but they're not as prominent as they were like the first day. So honestly, I should probably wait until tomorrow to really tell, but this is what my face looks like right now. Wet. I am gonna put on some witch hazel though, and since I was in the shower, I don't really see a yellow cast on my face. I didn't really double wash my face though. Like, I tried not to. I mean, I know that I did put some soap like around my edge area, but I didn't really do double washing. I know that I did use my exfoliating back gloves on the sides of here and here though, but not like up here. So I don't know. I don't really see a yellow tinge. I'm just taking some witch hazel, my toner, and just applying it to my face. Oh, there is some yellow on my face still, apparently. Okay, let's go the other way. Go the other way. These hairs did not come off. I'm just gonna reshave my face later, to be honest. And then we'll come back tomorrow, the last day, day 5. Okay, it is day 5, last day, Turmeric Mask day 5, but I do have this zit on my face. I'm really upset that I have this big zit on my face because I have plans today. Like, why? I actually saw it came on my, I didn't wake up with this morning, it came last night, but we're gonna do this turmeric mask and we'll see maybe tomorrow if it'll go away. I don't know, hopefully, we'll see. But you know what though, all the acne marks are gone. Like, all of them are pretty much gone. So this turmeric mask did work to remove to fade the acne marks. I think they're pretty much gone though. I don't think they were there at all. So yes, but I gotta zit. Okay, let me get this mask. And then I'm gonna shower. So day 5, let me see what this baby looks like. There isn't even a lot left, so I made enough for 5 days. Fantasy girl, modern day Cinderella, being your own. Let me put a little extra on top of that zit. I'll see it just protrude. I pretty much tapped the turmeric paste on top of the zit. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do, and I'll come back. Day 5. We really got like, I have to pay more attention to this, the bottom, because you know I shaved, so I should be able to see if like my ingrowns are pretty much gone. Well, I guess I'll see after I'm done washing it off, and really tomorrow though, I guess. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Ladies and gents, I forgot to finish filming the end of my last day, day 5, which is horrible. So this is day 5.5. It's actually been 2 days later. So last time I filmed day 5 was actually Sunday, but I didn't do anything, you know, Monday. Today's Tuesday, and you know, I just want to do this one more time. What I will say, honestly, it took away that zit. There was a zit right here, Now it's just an acne mark. So the zit actually went away. Like, oh my god, with the mask, because of the mask. In person, to me, when I look in the mirror, I remember looking in the mirror and seeing like, okay, the acne marks, they were prominent, you know, you really saw they were like dark, whatever. Now when I look in the mirror, they seem faded, but I remember looking back at my footage and looking from like, I guess looking through the progress from day 1 to day 5. And the acne marks all look the same on camera, on film for some reason. But let me just do this one more again and I'll come back and you guys will see the glow. Oh, did I mention the glow? I have noticed that consistently I'll get like a consistent glow after using this mask to my face, like a nice glow. We're back after completing my skincare routine. So do you see this glow? So yeah, so I guess what I'll say finally to conclude this turmeric mask face, this turmeric facial mask journey, 5-day journey for me, I'll say for me, it did completely take off this zit that was here. It did. Now I just have like a tiny acne mark. Reducing my acne marks in general. I mean, it does, in the mirror it looks like, you know, it did fade. Okay, so when it comes to the ingrowns, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm sorry, this one I don't really know there. But this acne mark has been here forever. This one did not fade. The other ones did though. They were darker, of course. They were like pretty much black. Now they're like brown. But this one's the same. This one's an acne mark too. It's pretty much the same. But the ones over here did. I don't know. I don't know what happened. It's like only it seemed to work on my face for like, it seems to work for half of my face. It's weird. But that's all I gotta say. This is my turmeric mask journey. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you will add this to your skincare regimen. That you do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Thank you so much for watching.